Hi everybody, here's a video that we have of our elf on our Ring doorbell. My little boy left to go to the store with his dad, and then it's showing on our Ring doorbell that our elf on the shelf must have went out to see where he went. Right here's our elf on the shelf. His name's Twinkle Toes, and I guess he's looking for cash, seeing where he went. And a car or a truck goes by, and he watches the truck go by. So here comes Cash and his dad back from the store.
Maybe Twinkle Toes locked the door. How did our door get locked?
If you enjoyed our video, please give us a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you, and y'all have a Merry Christmas.